Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. This is a green energy flat template. You can easily download from the link in the descriptions. Download this template from the link in the descriptions. Here is my website build GFX, and simply down from here you download a window file. So you need to extract this and you'll create this folder, and here this is template. So here is you can see that this is completely customizable. Here you can customize company logo, edit text details. Right, and here, yeah, double click to replace, just like for example I replace this text by my own solar panel, anything you can type, and control S is for save. So here you can see completely customizable. You can, yeah, I know you can do better. You just put your own branding and so on. And here is the shapes, this shape and so on. Top image, lower image, you can put your own image here, just drag and drop. And here is background, you can simply change the color, anything you like, and green and blue, not anything, just leave it like it was. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.